Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare stuttering. Let's get into it. First, execute high-end driver and scheduler optimization. Open your Windows graphics settings and toggle hardware accelerated GPU scheduling to on. Simultaneously, ensure your GPU drivers are updated to the latest high-end version provided by your manufacturer. It technicality audits your studio graphical throughput, replacing amateur quality, CPU-bound tasks with high-end, GPU-driven latest engine performance. Next, configure professional background process isolation. Open the task manager and technicality disable any unnecessary overlays, such as Discord, browser hardware acceleration, or high-end antivirus software scans. Set the Call of Duty Modern Warfare executable priority to normal or high in the Details tab to technicality. Ensure it receives top-tier CPU cycles during the latest session. It clears the path for the latest Modern Warfare build to claim the necessary high-end processing power, maintaining a professional frame time sequence. Lastly, verify the professional environment and launch. Restart your system to technicality, clear the RAM, and finalize all latest settings. Click play and monitor your technical frame time graph to technicality confirm the stuttering has been eliminated. Once the game initializes, your studio setup is back in the latest market, ready for high-end, stutter-free competition. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.